I know my voice gone, but this my partner Tweet. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to count that money and go and have Tweet lead this here. I love Tweet. Real. This car right here, this one of my world's favorite.
No, I get cute on the nigga fast.
Get cute on the wall.
I get dressed on the fast, you know. We ain't the only big know how to dress, man. You know what I'm saying? It's the morning glory. It's the morning talk right here. You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying to tell you, nigga, let them know what it is coming out of H-Town.
Hey, man, I don't even want to tell them.
Shit, it speak for itself.
Oh, yeah, this the biggest. This the big key. You know what I'm saying? This the hustler of the year.
Keys open doors?
Yeah, keys open doors. Just opened one. Ooh. Our boys gonna stay tuned.
Ooh. You hear WAP over there? WAP! WAP! It's too easy. My homie Brian got me a what?
A pickleball paddle and a pickleball for Rick! Yeah!
Ooh.
We're coming around the round.
Finders keepers, finders keepers.
Thank you.
Much love, baby, much love. Much love, much love. What's up? Freddie, what's up, baby? How you feeling? Man, you already know what it is, man. We out here. We make it. We make it.
What's up, Ro?
That's my black bike right there. The other one, we finna prepare the one that's covered up. What's up, baby? What's up, bud? What's up, man? Ooh. What's up, man?
Good love, bro. Slow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good day.
What's up, man? What's up, man? The footage of the gentleman parachuting out of the plane that landed in the backyard during the car show. Now I said to myself, please don't arrest the parachuter. No, I don't know him. Only thing I don't like about it is he didn't tell me what time to expect him jumping out of the goddamn plane and landing in my backyard. By the time I ran back there, they was dragging his ass. You feel me? And he had a huge smile on his face, and I said, please, 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 don't press charges. Now, if anybody jump the gate in the future, I'm gonna do you dirty. But if you parachute, just let me know what time you jumping, baby. You see that? For everybody watching, that's that shit your mama got fucked in her whole life growing up. So I got a bed put back there. Yup.
That's what bosses do, man.
Listen, man, we love this car thing. We still cleaning cars. We still doing it big. One time for the Slip and Soak team. One time for 007 Detail, Pump and Wash. Them boys are goddamn get your don't. Go fill it up with 93. Bring it back, put the ceramic glaze on it, wipe it down. God damn it. I'm just letting you know, this one you riding clean. 007 Detail, Slip and Soak. Collaboration, deadly, baby. Live from the promised land, I want to salute all the artists, all the heavyweights, and when I say the heavyweights, I'm talking capital H. that came out and showed love when it was unnecessary. Guwap, what it do, baby? Gucci Mane, much love. You already know Meek Mill, Tyler, the Creator, what it do? Lil Baby, what's happening? 2 Chainz, what it do? T-Pain, what it do? JT Money, the Poison Clan, what it do? Morning Glory, the reviews are in. The consensus is unanimous. The car show was an amazing success. I want to thank my team. We hired an amazing team. The commissioner, the sheriff, Fayette County, all the surrounding counties, the shuttle buses, my attorney, of course, my mother, my sister, the list goes on. Janelle, it goes on. The reviews, man, the love for the last 48 hours. It hasn't been 48 hours, but for the last several hours, everybody that's reached out to me, they let me know what this meant to them. One time for the winners of these keys, the ones who took these keys home, 57 Freddie, it couldn't happen without you. I won't do it without you, bro. But look, Ferrari Fred, Bipolar, the list goes on. And I want to salute the very first year's winners. Big Ash, Houston, what it do?
First responders say things went much smoother than last year.
This year, they started putting a lot of plans in place, listened to us, we listened to them.
Buses shuttled people from nearby shopping centers and police stopped.
What's the next play? July 2nd, biggest pool party of the year. What's gonna make it so unique? What's gonna make it epic? What's gonna make all the sexiest ladies in the world pull up? All the biggest influencers, huh? We know it's the biggest swimming pool. We know it's the biggest boss. We know we gonna spend the most money, but you tell me. You tell me. I'm gonna see if you know. July 2nd. Oh man, we feel good right here. I got my brother Jeremy in here. You see that ceramic glaze. I want to thank everybody that supported the movement, the cause, and genuinely love what we got going on. What's up, homie?
Like you said, bro, we just thank everybody for the love. We got amazing things coming for the car lovers, the car enthusiasts. Get ready for next year. Start getting ready for next year now.
Yeah.
Keep repping the brand.
Without a doubt.
Let's go.
Without a doubt. Get us online right now. Boss. Keys open doors, baby. Keys open doors one time for all the winners. Last year's winners as well. These boys right here heavy. And they only gonna get bigger. See you next year, baby. Now what we gonna do over the next month, we gonna show love, share the platform with all the winners of the keys. You heard me? We gonna show love, we gonna post, we gonna discuss, we gonna chat, and it's just gonna go down like that. But I wanna rep, and I wanna start right now with the Rick Ross Car of the Year. Final score, Northern California came in heavy. We gonna post that car. We gonna post all the whips, you know what I'm saying, for the next 2-3 weeks straight. But I'm just letting y'all know we starting the day off like that. I may fuck around and make that pool party the Strip Olympics July 2nd. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Yeah, one time for all my player partners, y'all better get ready. Y'all niggas been asking me for 5 years. It has come. That's what I like. That's what I like. And live from the promised land, we're going to keep this fire going in a few weeks. July 2nd, we having an amazing, successful pool party. Make sure you tap in right now because you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss what this going to be. I'm going to make this something it's never been, something you've never seen. Yeah. We only sipping on the finest bubbles, and I'm sending this out to everybody that made that car show possible, everybody that came out, everybody that supported, everybody that held Rose down, everybody that sent words of encouragement. I love you, Ricky Rose. Nothing but the finest, Luke Belair, for each and every one of you. Rose, I love you. Turnout was amazing. One time for the King of Chevys from last year. One time for Big Lynn from H-Town. That boy had them turkey legs jumping like goddamn Kyrie Irving, you heard me? But look, Slippery Soap. We got to salute Slippery Soap and everybody who purchased and supported the vision of Slippery Soap. Slippery Soap is on fire right now. One time for all the big companies that's tapping into Slippery Soap. Jeremy Slippery Soap. One time for all the boys that's Chevy riders, man. The ones who's shining with that Boss Gloss. Bam, let's get it.
Hey, this Jonathan Taylor, 007 Detail. We the pump and wash guys. We the guys that represent clean energy that brings fuel to you on demand.
So that's, if I need you to fill my gas tank up while you washing my car, you could do
take care.
both.
Yes, sir.
That's boss move. That's special.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what make that special right there? Because I see y'all just tried it out.
This is the best product on the market. This is the Slippery Soap product. It's the product that we use for the official Rick Ross car show. It's used to take care of cars, bikes, planes, motorcycles, and this is what you want to use, that Boss Gloss.
Yes, sir.